Okay, 320's got a problem where I'm constantly getting belt squeak. However, belt is replaced, all the tensioners have been replaced, and I realized crank pulley is also new, and I realized that this AC pulley actually has some play in it. It'll be hard to see on the camera, but I'm going to show you guys how to take this off somewhat the easy way without having to take the compressor off, so you don't have to degas anything. So what you do if you want to get this loose, you get yourself a big spanner like this, and you get yourself an old belt, or you can use your existing belt if you like, and you feed it through here like that, so you can hold this pulley. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab yourself a 7mm, and you're going to turn this clockwise to tighten it, if that makes sense, because you're trying to unwind this, and you're going to try and break that knot loose. Then the next step here is going to be the snap ring. So the next step here is going to be the snap ring that you can see in here. You can literally just pry this up and it pretty much just comes out. This one's really easy to get out, so we're going to pry this one out. That's the snap ring removed, and once we've done that, we should be able to unscrew this center cap by doing this. We're going to have to hold this and also hold this, and then we can turn this loose, and it should pop out this middle section here. Okay, once that's all unscrewed, this will be all the way out, and this should just slide out like this, making sure we don't lose any of the spacers. I don't know if these are worn or not, but oh yeah, maybe actually. We have the rest of these little things which are going to fish out. The next step is that there's a snap ring here, which is one that you have to push apart to get the bearing off. So we're going to get some snap ring pliers and try and open this, and then in theory we should just be able to slide the pulley off, although I suspect we're going to have to use a puller. So let's see if we can get this off without having to use a puller. Okay, so we got our new pulley on. It was actually quite difficult to get this one out. I had to use one of these jaw pullers, and I grabbed it around the edge, around the lip here, and I pulled it off. I didn't actually use this to push on because this will push inwards, so you have to use the lip face here when you've taken your snap ring off. You can see in there. And then I'll just clean the compressor with some emery cloth and oiled it up, and the new bearing and pulley just press onto there. So we've got our new bearing and pulley on there, so we're going to put our spacer rubber things in there and screw the front plate on, and then we are pretty much ready. We just got to retighten it, slap the belt back on, and it should be fixed. And that's the AC pulley replaced. So just reverse procedure with this one. Now you're going to actually turn it to the left like you're loosening it as you're holding this pulley to tighten this all up. We've got our spacer rings in there, and then we have our big snap ring installed here. So now this pulley is on, everything is back together, and that's the repair completed. So I hope that helped you. You're welcome if it did, and if not, then I guess you didn't learn anything. Too bad. All right, peace out.